y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is So. On my channel I do vlogs. I'm a mommy. I'm also a seamstress. I love to cook. I work a 9 to 5. I'm a boss babe. I'm also an entrepreneur. Let me scoot up a little bit. I'm also an entrepreneur, so you're going to see all types of things on my vlog, so on my channel. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell notification so you can be able to be notified every time I drop a new video. Oh, I put this. Oh, who hit me up? Oh, somebody hitting your girl up, child. But it's notifications off of Instagram. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media sites. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Snapchat. Yep, it's lit. Now, you know what? People used to say, no, matter of fact, people are saying now, oh, if you got a Snapchat, I'm scared of you. Snapchat is for cheaters. Granted, I'm not in a relationship, so I can't relate to that. But a lot of the celebrities, they're going back to using Snapchat. I don't know what it is, but Instagram is getting kind of like, you know, like a little lame. I didn't say it, but that's what I heard word on the streets. Chat. But my top apps are definitely Twitter and TikTok. I love those apps. Now, pardon my voice, guys. For one, I'm getting over the flu. And for two, it's late and it's way past my bedtime, and I definitely wanted to go ahead and get a video out to you guys. So I was like, let me go ahead and record now to get back in a groove of things. I was dropping a vlog every week, and I know you guys like, girl, you ain't dropped nothing in about 3 weeks. About to be a whole month. So I'm getting back on my grind, y'all. I have been just so busy with family, and you know, my daughter's birthday just passed, Thanksgiving just passed, so I've really just been living in the moment. I put the camera today, when I picked up my camera, y'all, I literally had to dust it off. It had dust on it. So like I said, I'm back to doing my big one. I'm back to vlogging and stuff like that. So I'm excited about that. Now, in this video, we're going to do a few things. I'm going to give you guys a life update because a lot happens in 3 weeks. I'm just saying, like, especially in my world, a lot happens in 3 weeks. So we're going to do a life update. We're also going to discuss the difference between dating a Haitian and an American men. So we're going to get into that because I think, you know, like, as much as they're the same, they're a lot different also, if that makes any sense. You feel me? Because, you know, like, we're all the same, but we're very much different. So we're going to talk a little bit about that, and then I'm gonna let you guys hear some of my favorite songs. We're going to do like a little playlist, and hopefully YouTube do not mute my video. Do not, yeah, try to take my video down, because baby, I want to let y'all hear some stuff. Now, y'all, as you guys can see, your girl gained a little weight. I lost all my weight, and then I gained it right back. I'm just like, I haven't been going to the gym. I mean, the past 3 weeks, discipline has just not been in my vocabulary. It's just been like, it's whatever. That's what it's been like. It's been like, it's whatever. Like, should you eat this? No, you shouldn't eat this, but it's whatever. Should you go to the gym? Yeah, you should go to the gym, but it's whatever. That's what it's been giving, and it's just like, I'm ready to get back in my discipline bag. You feel me? So that's what we're going to do. I definitely don't want to do much editing with this video, so whatever happens, happens. Whatever I say, I say. Okay. So let's get into it. A life update. I am still working my work from home job that I've been at for years, but I do want to, guys, I found myself wanting to work a job outside of the house. I don't know if you're like this, if you work from home, but am I loud enough? I don't know. I'm trying to see if my volume things are good, but my voice is just, y'all, bear with me, okay? Just bear with me. But I find myself wanting to work a job that is outside of the house lately. Like, I've been wanting to get dressed, you know, like, have a reason to interact with other people. And but at the same time, the job that I have now, it is so convenient and it's so easygoing, and I can do it with my eyes closed. You know, that's one of the things with being a vet at like a workplace, you know, like working somewhere for a while. Like, you could do it with your eyes closed, you could do it with your hands tied behind your back, and eventually, you know, you get promoted and stuff like that, which is always the goal. But I don't know, it just, and I think the thing is too, because the new year is coming, you know, when you're going into a new year, you just like, oh, what can I do, what can I upgrade, what can I change? Yeah, I was contemplating cutting my hair. Like, I was going through some things. Okay, I've been thinking, like, I have been thinking, I just been like craving some type of change. Now, one thing I do know that I'm changing is my residence. I do plan on moving to a bigger place so I can actually have somewhere to record content, and just somewhere more modern, somewhere where I'm more comfortable and stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to that. I wanted to move out of the city. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I wanted to move out of Orlando so bad. But not only do my family not want me to move, but all my family are coming back here. My cousins that stays in Oklahoma, my cousin that stays in Kissimmee, all of them are moving back here. So it's just like, I'm not going nowhere, child. It's about to be lit. Mind you guys, we're always having family parties. We're always having family reunions. Like, we're about to have another party in December. We just had a family reunion in June, and we got together for my grandma's birthday in December. And when I mean like got together, like people flew in, got together every time. It's a big thing. So, and I'm a family girl. If you know me, you know I'm family oriented. I'm the first of 5 kids. So yeah, that's my language. You feel me? So I'm excited about that. My children are 10 and 12 now. They're getting to an age where it's just like their personalities are coming out more. You know, they definitely know what they want. Like, you know, they'll tell me when I don't know, it's not a bad way, but they'll tell me when I make them feel some type of way, basically. And you know, we're having those conversations, like the convos are getting tougher and tougher. That's what I'm trying to get to. So that's the update with the children. What else? I am also talking to, now I know a few videos back I told you guys that I was talking to some vendors so I can go ahead and launch some new products. So my birthday is in February. That's literally like 2-3 months away. So that's where I'm kind of, you know, aiming to go ahead and launch my new products. So we're going to see about that, child. We're going to see. I'm excited about that, but I'm also nervous. I'm also nervous. I wouldn't say I'm a perfectionist, but I am somebody who tries to juggle a lot at once. So when it seems like it's starting to be too much, I definitely like to take a step back and just pause everything and then just be like, okay, now one at a time. So that's kind of where I'm at with it, because I'm trying to get into Forex. I'm relaunching. I'm doing a soft launch on my business. I've been sewing, I've been taking orders, I've been selling items, I've been shipping out items. When it comes to my clothing line, Samara's Collection, shop the line, samarascollection.com. The link will be in the description box. So I have that going. I'm doing custom mugs for the holidays. I just have a lot going on, y'all. Mind y'all, I have to also cater to these children. I have to make sure that we're going places. When my family need me, I have to show up. So it's a lot going on. But, you know, I always say I'd rather have a lot on my plate than nothing to eat. That's one thing about it. Like, I'd rather have a lot on my plate than nothing to eat. So overall, I'm excited. The new year is on the way, y'all. Like, December is here. Today is November 28th. 40 more minutes until November 29th. Like, the new year is here. And 2024, I really don't want to make no plans. I definitely want to set some goals, but I'm not going to be specific with what I'm going to do because I trust God's plans over my life. Now, granted, we're all supposed to ask him and receive, but God knows my heart. I've been asking him for the same things for for years. So, I can only pray, y'all, that he answers my heart and my desires and bless me to where I'm able to bless others. That's like the ultimate goal. I want to be so financially stable that I'm able to start nonprofit foundations, that I'm able to fund foundations, that I'm able to donate, that I'm able to employ people, that I'm able to just, like help the community. That's the goal. So I'm excited with what God has planned for me. And I know I'm excited. Okay. Let me see what else I could update you guys on. As you guys can see, your girl gained a little weight. I mean, just a little bit. Everybody love when I gain weight, and I absolutely hate it, y'all. I lost over 3 weeks. I lost 7 pounds and gained them right back. Okay, I gained them right back, and for the past 2 days I've been detoxing and I've been doing pretty good. But today I ended up making the kids some buffalo chicken sandwiches and I ate some of it. I'm not supposed to have no bread, no dairy, or red meat, and I sure ate me some of that buffalo chicken sandwich and some fries, y'all. It was so good. Oh, it was so good. And I was doing so good because I had apples and oranges for lunch, and I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm doing my big one. Like, yeah, I'm on the right track. You can't tell me nothing. Like, yeah, your girl about to be back slim thick. I made that sub, and I bust down. That's all I gotta say. I bust down. But like I said, I'm back in my discipline bag, so I'm excited to go ahead and have something to work on too, like when it comes to my body and also eating healthy, getting back in a gym slowly but surely. Y'all, for the past 3 weeks I've probably been to the gym 4 times, and a month ago I was in the gym 5 times a week. When I tell y'all slacking, I've been slacking. I've been slacking, but I'm gonna do better. It's all right, your girl gonna do better. Yes, girl. So like I said, I don't know why I said girl. You know, when you so used to talking to your homegirl, like, girl, guess what? Anyway, y'all my girls, and if it's a guy watching this, like, my bad, my bad. But yes, y'all, I've been doing a lot, so I can't say like I haven't been up to nothing. I just been working. No, I've been up to a lot, and I think that's why I haven't been picking up the camera too. It's just like I be so on go, so it's just like I don't even think, or when I think to pick up the camera, I'm just like, no, it's going to slow me down. So that's what I've been that's what's been going on. But we're going to get better with that because my YouTube channel has been growing organically. I'm so happy about that. I'm up to 4,000 subscribers. Like, what? 4K? Okay. I remember when I was stuck at what, like 9 for years and years and years. Now I'm at 4K, and it's only by the grace of God. I am so happy that God is blowing on everything that I touch. Anything I touch, God just blows his breath on it and just, like helps it flourish. That's the word I'm looking for. He helps it flourish, and I'm just so grateful, and he just loves me so much. Like, sometimes I be thinking I'm God's favorite. I love him too. So I am excited for my YouTube channel to reach 10K. Now, when we reach 10K, it's gonna be something. I ain't gonna know how to add 10K on YouTube. Okay, period. And when we get monetized, because we're speaking that into existence. But that is the goal. Like, I want to be able to not be on nobody's schedule. I want to be able to, be my own boss and fund my life from doing what I love, sharing myself with people, my insights, my views, my products, and yeah, that's the goal ultimately. So anywho, like I told y'all, the second part to this video is going to be the second part of this video is going to be a Haitian man versus American man. Now, I dated both. My children are from Americans. So Growing up, surprisingly, y'all, okay, so I came here when I was 8 years old. I didn't start dating until I was like 16, 17. And I've never really been into Haitian men until recent, not until 7 years ago. So I've only dated American guys. And 7 years ago, I dated my first Haitian man, like really seriously. And after that, I dated another Haitian man after him, and like that was it. You know, I've only dated two Haitian men, but that was my longest lasting, relationships. So now, okay, let's talk about American men first. Okay, when it comes to American men, there's this saying like they're baby boys, cause like it don't matter what an American man does, like his mama gonna be like, it's all right, baby. It's all right, baby. Like that's why they be baby boys, cause in their mama's mind, to their mom, they can do no wrong. So it's just like they don't be taking no accountability, and it just be like, boy, grow up. You know, like that's why people be like, okay, then you need to be with your mama if that's the case. But yeah, American men tend to be baby boys. And another thing, American men, now that's a con. When it comes to Haitian men, they're going to take care of you. Like period. They're going to take care of the household, but that's also because they kind of like, like controlling you. They like to they like to pay all the bills. So when you want to do something, they're like, well, I pay all the bills. And I said, no. You feel me? Like they want you in the house cooking, cleaning. They're paying all the bills. And, for some people that works. Some women love that. I mean, it worked for our grandmothers, great grandmothers, great grandmothers back in the day. But nowadays, the way this economy is, how expensive everything is too, like everybody's working. So it's just like, and I think that's another reason why so many people are single. Like you can't really have control of nobody right now, because it's just like everybody got to work, everybody got to contribute, and it's just everybody's so worried about survival and sustaining themselves. Is people rarely have respect for each other, and relationships really not lasting like that. But anywho, back to the comparison. Let me see, a pro about American men. American men can be very romantic. Now Haitian men, I've dated Haitian men, and I've had to introduce them to buying flowers, going on dates. Like they wasn't really into all of that. Nowadays they're probably into that because now they're more Americanized, and like that's what's going, like the people that they're talking to now are introducing them to stuff like that. But back in the days, child, yeah, no, Haitian man wasn't taking you out on no date. Like they wasn't buying you no flowers. They was not romantic or nothing like that. Like it's just work, pay the bills, and sex. That's it. So that's one thing I could give to the American guys. They tend to be more romantic, and like want to take you out on dates, want to take you on trips and stuff like that. Now Haitian men are into that, but I'm saying like they had to evolve into stuff like that. And what else? Let me see. Oh, and a Haitian man gonna work, boo. One thing about it, Haitian men, they're going to work. They're going to keep them a 9 to 5. Versus an American, you'll probably most likely find an American that's scamming. You'll probably most likely find an American man that's scamming, child. And not to say, okay, now if you're in Miami with the Zoes, where it's like Zoe Pound, like where majority of the Haitians stay, okay, that might be a little different. You probably know a lot of Haitians that scamming. But other places like Orlando, Houston, Atlanta, and stuff like that, most likely it's like American guys that's scamming. And the Haitian guys, they have a job. They have a legit job. They're either working at a warehouse or they're driving trucks. A lot of them are driving trucks, but they have a legit 9 to 5. So I feel like that is a con. I mean, that's a pro for the Haitian guy and a con for the American guy. And another thing, like Haitian men, child, Whew, 2 hours after you meet them, baby, they love you. They love you. You make their heart skip a beat. Like, they've been waiting for you their whole life. They prayed God for you. They dreamt of you last night, honey. Like, you're their good luck charm, baby. Like, a Haitian man will tell you they love you quick. Look, they got I love yous for sale. Like, it's nothing. And you know what? I recently learned from a Haitian man that came from not Haiti, but somewhere there's a lot of Haitians. He told me that because he told me he loved me on the first time he met me. He didn't even know me, y'all. He told me he loved me. And I was like, why y'all do that? Like, y'all know, like, that's a thing that they clown you guys. That's the thing that they clown you guys about, saying I love you so quick. And he was just like to them, I love you means, you know, like, I like you. It's just the same way as saying I like you. I'm like, okay, yeah, but here, no, boo. Is that means I love you. You feel me? Like, it ain't no I like you. That means I love you. So a lot of Haitian men, they use I love you as in I like you. So that's why they'll tell you all for real. Like, I love you. Like, because in Creole, Mwen is the same thing as I like you and I love you. Well, no, not really, because Mwen Damu should be I love you. Mwen means I like you. So I don't know, at the end of the day, I don't know why they say I love you on the first date or on the first link. Like, you know, we meet each other at the store, and on my way home, you telling me you love me. I don't know why, but baby, I love you too. Because I'm Haitian. At the end of the day, I fall in love quick too, boo. What's up? Because it's so hard for me to like somebody. So when I do, baby, I love you. Yeah, I love you. But anywho, y'all, so, but as for me, I feel like I would marry like a Haitian man. You know, I'm not opposed to another race, you know, but I just feel like when it comes to Haitian men, well, Haitians period, you know, like, that's me. I'm from Haiti. I speak Creole. I cook Haitian food. I want to go dance compa with you and stuff like that. And I feel like I can do that with a Haitian man. Now, granted, like, my girls be like, oh, you can get an American guy that wants to do all those stuff. Like, you know, you can meet an American guy who wants to you can meet an American guy who wants to go to the Haitian club or whatever. Now, granted, y'all, I don't be clubbing like that no more. Your girl done got baptized. Hallelujah. I don't be clubbing like that no more. But every now and then, I do like to step out, you know, get cute, step out, go listen to music, dance a little bit or whatever. But it's totally different than how I was back then. So I definitely want somebody I can do that with, you know, like somebody I can go ahead and go out to a Haitian spot and I don't have to translate everything that they're saying. You know, I don't have to tell you every food that you're eating. I don't have to tell you what animal it is. I don't have to tell you how it was cooked, you know, and I'm not bound to only speaking English. Like, when I came here from Haiti, I only spoke Creole and I had to learn the English language. And I was set on learning the English language. So I was one of the students who like scored the top in language arts in English. Like, when it was time to write paragraphs and essays, my paper used to get chosen to be read in front of the class. That's how good like I was in my language arts class. Like, I really focused on learning that. So now that I'm older and, you know, like, I'm real comfortable in the language, granted, I don't know everything. Nobody knows everything. But I find myself getting more and more Haitian. Like, I find myself like speaking more and more Creole, wanting to be more like, the older I get, the more Haitian I'm getting, I feel like, because I went through like Haitian, Americanized, and I'm going back Haitian. So I feel like that's how it is. But Honestly, you never know what might happen. I might marry a white man. I might marry a Puerto Rican. Like, you just never know. So it's not like I'm closed off to dating another race, even though at some point I was. I'm not gonna lie. At some point I was like, I'm only dating Haitians. And yeah, I know. I take that back. Now, when it comes to preference, because we all can have a preference, I would prefer to marry a Haitian, but I'm not just bound to like being with a Haitian man. No. Yeah, I just threw something on for this video. I look raggedy, but it's all right. I sound a mess. My nose is clogged up, but I wanted to go ahead and do this video and get this video out to you guys. But okay, so next, what we're going to talk about, because that's just not it when it comes to Haitian and American men. Oh, another thing, Haitian men gonna cook and clean for you. Like, a lot of Haitian men, their mama taught them how to cook. Cause one thing the mama be telling them, oh, you're not gonna go suffer up under no woman just for a piece of rice, just for a gram of rice. Like, you better learn how to cook by yourself, so when your wife mad at you and she's not cooking at the house, you can cook up your own food. Haitian man, one thing about it, baby, they know how to make them some spaghetti. They're gonna make spaghetti, they're gonna make eggs, they're gonna make them some rice, child, they're gonna make some labouille. Haitian man know how to cook versus an American guy. 9 times out of 10, he'll probably won't know how to cook. And that's just being, like, I'm not saying all, so don't come for me like, oh, well, I know how to cook, or my man or my brother know how to cook. I'm just saying some, okay? Not all, but majority. Let's just put it like that. So, and yeah, like, a Haitian man won't mind getting up, cooking, cleaning the house, or whatever the case might be. Especially y'all both working and stuff. Now, don't let him be a just come. He really gonna be in there cooking and cleaning, baby. If he just came and you about to give him some papers, oh, please. He really gonna be doing what he gotta do, child. But I personally cannot deal with no just come, y'all. I'm not gonna have a 3rd child. No, I already have 2 kids, and that is it. I do not need a 3rd child. It's just like, you gotta be my equal or above. Like, I've seen my mama deal with guys. Every guy that my mom's been with, she got them from Haiti and brought them here. And granted, all of them got their stuff together, but it's just the trials and tribulations. I'm not going through that. No, ma'am. I'm not going through that. No. So that's that when it comes to Haitian and American guys. Now, another thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is my favorite songs at the moment. Now, I want to play some of them, but I'm scared that YouTube going to mute my video. I don't want them to mute my video. Yeah, I don't want them to mute my video, or like make me have to take it down. So, but I'm still gonna play music. I'm still gonna play my music regardless, y'all. Regardless. Now, I gotta be to work in the morning, but it's all good. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I tried to record this video before, but the lighting was off, the sound was off. I had to delete the whole thing. Like, it was probably like 35 to 40 minutes long, but it was so tore up, y'all. I had to delete it, and I'm like, I gotta get up and do it again, do it again, do it again. Y'all, I cannot believe I'm at 4K subscribers on YouTube. Like, I'm so happy about that. I'm always on YouTube. Like, I watch everybody's channel on YouTube. I watch everybody's content on YouTube, whether it's something I would do or not. I be watching YouTube. Like, that's like one of the best things they could have came up with. Like, who needs cable, baby? Like, when you got YouTube. Like, there's so many shows on YouTube and TikTok. I love TikTok too. TikTok, Twitter, YouTube. Those are my top 3 apps. While we're at it, let me go ahead and give y'all my social media so you guys can follow me. Yeah, follow your girl. All of them is so__. Hippolyte. So this is my Instagram. So Hippolyte. Make sure you go follow your girl. Yeah, follow me, follow me, follow me. Now let me go find my TikTok. Hold on. Yeah, I am so sick. I can't wait to not be sick anymore. This is my TikTok. So Hippolyte. Y'all really have my real name on all my social medias. People be like, when I tell people my name's So, they be like, what's your real name? My name's So. Like, if my grandma, my mom, my dad, my family called me So, you can call me So. And it's short for my real name. This is my Twitter. So_Hippolyte. Follow your girl. 3 down, 1 to go. Well, I'm not going to give y'all my Facebook. I'm going to be on Facebook like that for real. But I do be on, jeez. But I do be on Snapchat for sure. I be on Snapchat, y'all. And they say Snapchat is for cheaters. That's crazy. Like, y'all be cheating on Snapchat. Don't put that on everybody because people like Snapchat. My Snapchat is Stunner Bay. Yeah. So go ahead and add me on all my social media sites, y'all, so we can stay connected. I post a lot. I'm on the little content girlies, y'all. I've been getting so many offers from for brand ambassadors. I've been getting a lot of offers to collab with different brands. But like I said, when I feel like I have a lot going on, I like to slow down and just be like, hold up. Okay. But so yeah, I've been thinking about getting an assistant or just turning my daughter into my assistant. Okay, so I'm free on a house, honey. But I definitely need help with just organizing everything, putting a timeline on everything, to respond to different emails, because I get a lot of emails and stuff like that with collaboration requests. So I have to go ahead and find a way to get into that. But the year is almost over. I want to finish the year off strong. So for tomorrow, which is the 29th, and the 30th is like the perfect time for me to go ahead and set weekly goals for the month of December. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, and I just gave you guys an idea. Go ahead and set some weekly goals, and go ahead and start getting your New Year's resolution together, writing down what it is that you're looking forward to doing. So, you know, we can finish the year off strong and also start the next year off strong too. So, all right. So, first thing first, we're going to do some, I look good. No makeup, hair in a ponytail. That's when you the prettiest. Hope that you don't take it. I think that's what he said, whatever. But all right, so first we're going to do some Haitian music, and then we're going to do 2 or 3 American music, and then we're going to do 2 or 3 Christian songs that I like listening to. Now, YouTube, please spare me, okay? I'm not going to let them play too long, y'all, so YouTube don't. And you know, if I had a good voice or whatever, I'd be singing it to y'all, but yeah, no. I'm so thirsty, y'all. Why do cold water taste so good? Cold water tastes so good. Oh my God, it's crazy. Ooh, before we get into that, y'all, let's do a story time. Now, remember I was telling y'all that I was dating Americans, started dating Haitians 7 years ago, and I dated like 2 Haitians back to back. And since I've been single, I've been dating. Since I've been single, I've been dating. Y'all, I started talking to this American. When I tell y'all, okay, so first and foremost, okay, boom. We went on our first date, right? We met in person. I'm the type of person, like, I don't like meeting people off of social media. Like, it's very, like, if you got my number off of social media, good, like, you top tier, boo. And 9 times out of 10 is because I seen you somewhere before, and then I end up giving you my number on social media. But I do not usually just get my number off on social media. So y'all, we met in person at a gas station. He was coming from work, you know, like suited and booted or whatever. And he like, yeah, I'm coming from work and all that stuff. So gave him my number, and we went out on our first date like 3 months after I gave him my number. So we went on our first date. It was cool. He was nervous. The girl had him nervous. So fine, make him nervous. But yeah, y'all, he was nervous. He was drinking, but he didn't get drunk. But it was cool. It was real cool. He was just like, he was socializing with the people that was, we went to Kobe's. So we was at a table with other people, and it was like this white man sitting next to us, and he was socializing with the man and stuff like that. So he was cool. I was like, all right, you cool. But it still wasn't giving like, okay, yeah, you can be my man. Look, I'm picky. So, okay. We went out again. Now this time when we went out, it was around Mother's Day. We went out and we had a male waiter, right? Y'all, they be on this, jeez. But yeah, so we went out and we had a male waiter. Now I specifically chose this place because I love their wings. So I wanted their wings as an appetizer. So we went and I ordered my wings, and the waiter came out with the wings, and you know, I'm just like, oh yes, y'all got the best wings. And he's like, oh, I wouldn't say all that now. Like, there's definitely other places who got better wings. I was like where? And y'all, I kid y'all not, why this man, he was just like, oh, I ain't with that friendly shh. I ain't with that friendly shh. No. I ain't with that friendly. Y'all, so I'm looking like, I'm just making faces like for him to calm down. And he like, nah, F that. I ain't with that friendly. Mind you, the guy putting our food on a table, our appetizers on the table, and it's like awkward as I don't know what. So the boy, our waiter walked away. He ain't say nothing. And when he walked away, I'm like, what you did all that for? You know, like, who this for? So he's like, oh, I'm just saying I'm very territorial about mine and stuff like that. I'm like, but I'm not yours. For one, I'm not yours. And number two, like, we was talking about wings. He was literally about to tell me another restaurant that got good wings. Like, I don't even touch my phone when I'm on a date. Let alone, you know, like, let alone flirting with somebody right in front of you. Like, that's crazy. So y'all, like, but one thing about me, I'm chill. You feel me? Like, I'm not gonna be there, have a stink attitude the whole time, even though I was upset that he did that. In my mind, I'm just like, oh, this is the last time he's seeing me anyway. Like, you feel me? Like, so it's just like, it don't even matter. Like, you ain't seeing me no more. You like, ew, I don't like that. First of all, you look insecure, and second, you're the type to have us in situations that we don't even need to be in. Like, because you can't keep your cool. You could have addressed me after he left. Like, that don't make no sense. So, okay, y'all, we continue eating. I'm chill. I'm laughing with him or whatever. Like, knowing that it's my last time. So, before we left, I ended up going to use the restroom just to make sure I'm still taking, you know, like, face still looking good, hair looking nice, my clothes is good or whatever. And when I came out, he was standing by the bar, and he was like, oh, I got us another lemon drop. I'm like, okay. And then he was like, oh, I apologize to the waiter too. I'm like, oh, you did? And then he was like, yeah, man, I apologize, but I came off wrong and all that stuff. I'm like, okay, good. But I was still very much turned off, y'all. So after I went home, I did not reply to his text messages. I did not answer his phone calls. And it was like a month later when I finally like text him back. Because I decided to cut somebody off, and then like if they keep hitting me up, I start feeling this guilty thing where it's just like I don't want to be the last person somebody called before something happened to them and I didn't answer. Like I never want that to happen. So I just, like, so I just text him back or whatever, and we was cool. We was just texting, but I made it clear to him that it's nothing like that. You feel me? Like it's nothing like that. Like I'm not interested or nothing. Y'all, why this man gonna ask me to get a rental for him under my name? This fool asked me to get him a rental car under my name. Boy, and I'm talking about this what Americans do. This what American guys do, because a Haitian man would never, like, ever. Like, y'all, what made him feel so comfortable to do that? Boy, you smoke. You feel me? Like, you smoke, you be on a block. All your homeboys locked up. And it's just like, you think I'm gonna just let you be a liability like that to me? Like, no. My house is under my name. My car is under my name. My lights under my name. My cables under my name. All my stuff is under my name. Plus, I have 2 human beings that I'm responsible for. You think I'm gonna let you mess me up? Not happening. I wouldn't even do it for my baby daddy, let alone you. Like, no. I would only do something like that for a family member that I know that's trustworthy. My cousins, my sister, people like that. You feel me? Like that I know I can trust, that got their stuff together. But like, no, you crazy as I don't know what, y'all. That's why I was like, yeah, I'm never talking to an American again. I be saying that. But then again, like I said, you just never know what might happen. You know, you just never know what might happen. Because I sure got some dates lined up with some Yanks. I'm just playing. But yeah, okay, yeah. So what was about to do? Listen to some music. Listen to some music. Oh, I got another story time, y'all. Oh, I'm putting y'all in my business. Okay, y'all. So I've been abstinent from sex for. Let me see. Okay, so going on 4 months. Going on 5 months, matter of fact. I've been abstinent from sex. And yeah. So, but at the same time though, I haven't been in a situation to where I'm tempted. You feel me? Like I wasn't going on dates. That stuff I told you about, it was like the last time was Mother's Day. That's when I went on that date. It was around Mother's Day. That was in May. But y'all, I haven't been tempted. I haven't been in a situation where, like I'm making out with somebody. I haven't been in a situation where I'm about to, like that I'm tempted. So, recently, your girl went out. So I went out, y'all, and oh, one thing about me, I do not like new people. I will spin the block. Not me spin the block, but somebody I know that I'm cool with, that I dealt with spin the block. I'll probably deal with them before like I talk to new people. I don't know why. Maybe I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but that's just how I am. It's horrible. I don't be standing on business when it comes to, like something like, something I'm comfortable with. But anywho, I already knew like I'm not having sex for the rest of the year. Even if it's not that I'm celibate, that I'm waiting for marriage, but I'm definitely abstinent. Like I'm definitely practicing abstinence, and I don't plan on having sex until like I'm in something committed. Now, I would love to wait for marriage, but I'm being realistic. You feel me? Like, I can't just stay there. I can't just sit here and lie and be like, I'm going to wait till marriage, because we never know what might happen. But I definitely want to wait until I'm in something committed, or it's just like something undeniable if it was to happen. So, y'all, I was out the other night, and I ended up seeing somebody that, like I dealt with before. And he's like, oh yeah, can we talk and stuff like that. Mind you, I haven't talked to him in a year. I haven't talked to him. And he's just like, oh yeah, can we talk and stuff like that. Every time he see me out, he been trying to talk to me, and I'm just like, no, 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 no. I've been telling him no. That day I was feeling good, y'all. I was feeling too good. So I was like, all right, cool. I was like, you know, we could talk. And so he hit me up the next day, and he's just like, I want to talk to you in person. So I go and we talk in person. We standing outside talking. So, you know, it wasn't nothing. And then I ended up going home. And a few days after that, I went out I went out again. So he's like, what you doing and stuff like that. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm at this place smoking a little hookah, you know, like I'm outside. I finally have a 4-day weekend, so I'm just, you know, like I'm outside. So he was like, okay, I'm gonna come through. I'm like, okay, cool. So he comes, he gets me a hookah, he gets me a drink, and he's with his cousin. And of course, you know, like we drinking and we dancing. And after that, now the place I'm at is right by his house. I had to pee so bad, y'all, but I didn't realize I had to pee until I left the place that we was at. I'm like, oh my God, I gotta pee so bad. He was like, my house is closer, just stop by my house so you could pee. But I should have known what that man was up to. I'm like, if I had tissue in my car, I would have peed outside. Like I had to pee so bad. One thing about me, when I have any type of drink, it'll run straight through me. Like, let me out. So y'all, I went to so I went to his house, and he pulls up, like we're literally pulling up together, and I go inside to pee, and after I pee, it's just like, okay, come sit on the bed. So I'm sitting on the bed. But I already got in my mind, we're not doing nothing. Like, I'm not having sex with nobody for the rest of the year. And it's just like, and of course, you know, like you start making out, and I'm just like, no, I can't do this. Y'all, I'm literally asking God, give me the strength. Give me the strength, God. Like, God, give me the strength. No, no, no. But at the end of the day, like, he was a gentleman about it. He was just like, all right, cool. Like, we don't gotta do nothing. And then I ended up falling asleep. I woke up to breakfast in bed, and I'm just like, okay, cool, I get used to this. But yes, y'all, that's crazy. Like, that is crazy, being tempted like that. Like, I haven't been in a situation like that in so long, so it was just like, oh my God, oh my God. But I definitely stayed away from him now. Like, I'm not going to his house. He can't come to my house. You know, like, we got to meet in public settings. We got to go out on dates. You know, like, we got to meet in public settings. Because I'm not... It's like, you can't keep putting yourself in a situation like that and expect the person not to be trying to do something. You know, like, it's a guy. Of course, a guy is going to try. Like, I mean, look at me. I mean, you a baddie, child. When you a baddie with a fatty, a guy gonna try. That was corny. But yeah, that's my little story times. But besides that, I don't be having nothing going on. Like, I literally be texting somebody real good for a good 2 days, and then I don't reply back to them. And it is what it is. Shoot. It is what it is. I am just living life. I am trying to just have like a steady type of thing going. For one, before I get in another relationship, I feel like I have to be settled in my new place. I'm currently applying for places, so I want to be moved and settled into my own place before I could even think about having another getting into a relationship or even just taking somebody serious. But I definitely, like, I want to date. I want to go out. I want to learn. I want to meet people. I want to learn people. I want people to learn me, and just like get out of my head. Because if I'm not doing that, then I'm just going to stay stuck on the past, just be thinking about the past, and we don't need that, child. But anywho, oh yeah. Okay, so let's listen to some music real quick before I get off of here, because I was about to skedaddle, y'all. I was so tired. Let's see. Yeah, I ain't stopped this video, no, but like 2 times. This right here, Crack. One of my favorite songs right now. Now, when it comes to songs, it's specific parts where I'm just like obsessed with. So we're going to skip to the part where I'm obsessed with, okay? This my junk, y'all. Okay, next song on the playlist. If you Haitian, you know this song. Okay, well, best part. Let's go to the best part, y'all. It's about to come on. Okay, Marvy Bow, Cadillac part, crack, straight crack, oh, straight crack. Y'all, I'm not gonna tell y'all how one time I thought I was recording and I was recording in slow motion. Like, it was literally recording in slow motion, y'all. I was like, what'd you say? I've only been recording for 20 minutes. I wanted it to be like a 15-minute video, so I'm doing good. And my battery about to die. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Now, any Wendy song, baby, please. And I just got put up on Wendy like literally 2-3 years ago. I found out who Wendy is. And ooh, now this is an old song and it goes crazy. I love it so much. I love it so much. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Ooh. Baby, ooh, I don't know if y'all know this song, but baby, crack, okay? And this one too. This is my jam. Okay, just like, let me see. Oh, now if you don't know some white people song, we can't hang. Cause I used to be obsessed with country music back then. Okay, I love me some white people song, especially this one. Ooh. There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. Oh, my battery's going dead. Y'all, the last battery died. Okay, so let's finish our jamming session so we can go ahead and end this video. Oh, okay, let me skip to the good part. Oh, I know this copyright. Copywritten. I climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you. I need you to see that you are the reason. Okay, you are the reason. Come on, baby. That's my jam. That is my song, y'all. That's my song. That's my song. That's my song. Ooh, that's another one. Rudy is another artist. I go, ooh, all Rudy songs. Hit. Especially that new album, Tunas. Please. Te senti mais serré, l'homme t'a côté. L'eau pour peine, j'aime ça pas m'imaginer t'a côté. Pendant l'amour t'a multiplié. Au blaze, me fait me tourner, t'y crier. Téléphone toujours sous moi, dans les watt. Pour les façonner. Ooh, that's a jam, honey. That's a jam. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Ooh. Now, Wid, y'all, I did not know Wid was in Zingland. I love Sweat Them Done Said by Zingland. That used to be me and what's the name song, y'all. Even if it was beeping, once Sweat Them Done Said, Sweat Them Done Said, once that come on in the club, y'all, we finding each other, like we hawking each other down. Put them done said. Allez, faut-il danser pour nous battre mon parti. Il va arriver. Okay, top solo. I gotta find a good parts for y'all. After this, we're gonna do one more Haitian song, then American song, then Christian song. Il pas facile pour Junior. Jongle. Kounya mwen soume mwen, m'a branche. M'kave na poil la, poil pote chay. That's my little part. Y'all lucky I can't sing. If I knew how to sing, baby, please. If I knew how to sing. I listen to a lot of old school music too. Oh, it's my jam. Hopefully they don't copyright these songs. Hopefully they don't sound like my video. Got your fumble. Hey. Rendez-vous koto kono koner. Koto kono koner. Kono koner. Koto koner. Wash off that c'est mon coffre. Comment c'est off that down? Wendy, child, Wendy's a bad boy. He's a bad boy, okay? Loves him down. Oh, I need to feel on my nails. I took my daughter to get her nails done this week. I didn't even get myself a feel. Oh, yeah. Hopefully this not copywritten, y'all. We might have to let this ride a little bit. Tout s'en fait, tout s'en dit. many boxes on ball. So many on ball now. I get more cups to your hotel. And then lay on la vida. And then mama la vida. Woo! That sounds good to me. I don't know about y'all. And then lay on la vida. Say I want to be. No comprendo con facile mensale se sakiti. Na montetivo. E patia. Siamo nella montetivo. Siamo nella montetivo. Siamo nella montetivo. L'idea complète. La vie a conduit. Mais c'est ça qui fait le vivre. Pas jamais découragé. On est là monté. It's my jam, y'all. Okay. People, not want that people shit, please. Okay, let's see what else. All right, y'all. So I'm putting y'all up on some jams, y'all, like for real. Guys, some people told me that I have to make some YouTube videos in Creole, but I don't know. Like, I don't know. They said I should make some YouTube videos in Creole because there's a lot of, you know, like a lot of Haitians watch YouTube too. I mean, a lot of Americans do too. But I really want my channel to be filled with both, like Haitian people and American people. Now, I wanted to start doing like reaction videos to Goodnell Latti's mini series that he just dropped. It is so good, so juicy. But I don't know, like, if I want to do it with this, like, if I want to do it on this channel or another channel. But at the same time, I want to finish growing this channel before I even think about starting another channel. So I don't know, y'all. I'm still thinking. I'm gonna talk to somebody about it and see if I should just have a playlist specifically for that and still do it, because I watch it every day. Like, why not react to it, right? So I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I missed the whole song. Oh, okay, this is the last station song for real. This little song right here, oh. Après ça, les disparaît. Oh, bébé, yeah. Oh, bébé, yeah. L'amour t'emmène dans le ciel. Après ça, le fait, c'est ma terre. Oh, bébé, yeah. Oh, bébé, yeah. Oh, well. M'en chercher l'amour, mais l'amour pas flamme Kimbel. Kimbel. Les musiques Kimbel, les guides McDonald's, j'aime. Chaque lame fin crier, c'est ça pour consoler. Quand ça l'amour fait manger. Ah, tout le monde, nobody dit t-shirt ça va douce. Oh my God. I'm chercher l'amour, mais l'amour pas vlem Kembe. I felt that. Okay, so boom. Nous finissons de musique. I'm really not gonna play no American song because I know they're gonna tear me up with the copyrights with the American song. Now they might just too with the Christian music, but I'm only doing a few seconds on every day. One thing about YouTube, baby, she gonna play her commercial. She gonna slide her commercial in. That's crazy. Okay, hold on. upon the throne. I know he's right here inside my home. I've got a treasure here in my heart, and in my weakness it won't depart. I have a Savior. Yeah, every morning y'all need to listen to some gospel music. Sometimes I don't, but it just sets the tone. Just go as Daniel is, our God will bring you out, and he will testify. He shuts the lion's mouth. Go ask those Hebrew boys if he'll stand by your side. They will identify the fourth man in the fire. They'll tell you, oh, he's in a room. He's always in a room. Oh, this another one. My son be like, Mommy, can you play Little Million Little Miracle? That's how much I play it. This another one. Oh. All my life I've been carried by grace. Don't ask me how, cause I can't explain. It's nothing short of a miracle. I'm here. Maybe I should sing over it so I don't get copywritten. I don't know. I got some blessings that I don't deserve. Woo! But that's how you learn. It's nothing short of a miracle. I'm here. I think it over and it doesn't matter. I know it comes from above. I've got miracles on miracles, a million little miracles. Yeah, miracles on miracles. Count your miracles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't even count them all. Can't count them all, no. Whew. Okay, y'all. So I think that's it for this video. Hopefully I don't get copywritten. Hopefully they don't ask me to take my video down, child, for all those musics I was playing. But I had to, you know, let y'all into my world a little bit, let y'all hear some of the stuff that I listen to every day, some of my feel-good music. So yeah, let's end this with the verse of the day. That is something I want to start doing. I was putting it in my description box. At one point I put it at the end of my video, like a verse of the day, but I think I actually just want to say it at the end of my video because I read a Bible verse every day, so why not share it with you guys? The app has music. Let me put it down. Okay, so it says Romans 5 verse 1. Being therefore justified by faith, we have peace with God through our Lord Jesus Christ. Okay. So let's see. Oh, and this Bible app, it explains the verse, and it summarizes the chapter for you, whatever it is that you needed to do, pray. It tells you who wrote that verse and everything. So so explaining Romans 5 verse 1 is just, it says it's a powerful verse in which the apostle Paul declares, therefore, since we have been justified through faith, we have peace with God through our Lord Jesus Christ. So basically, through the sacrifice of Jesus Christ on the cross, we have been justified before God. So he paid for our sins. So, you know, like, that's basically what it's saying. And our sins were forgiving. And that's not something that we can achieve on our own. It is a gift from God, given to us by grace. We don't deserve it. It's by grace. And I thank you so much, Father God, for grace and mercy. So that is it, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and press that bell notification channel so you can, I'm tired. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and peel the woo, y'all, I am over here fighting for my life. Okay, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. And you'll want to know when I drop a new video. Yeah, you'll want to. I am so excited to bring you guys new content. I am so excited to continue growing my channel. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for the people who liked. Thank you for the people who comments. I want to interact with you guys. I want to know who you are. If you are also new to YouTube and you're growing your channel, definitely drop it in the comment section. I will subscribe and I will go ahead and you know, like, leave you some comments and give you some views. And just don't keep going. Whatever you do not, I mean, I want you guys to keep going. Don't stop going. Whatever you do, no matter if you're feeling unmotivated, it don't matter if everybody's standing against you. As long as you believe in God, you know, you have faith in Jesus, you pray and you stay patient, and you know, you lock in with the Holy Spirit, great things happen, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and try to rest this raspy behind voice. I gotta be up early in the morning to go to Dunkin' and get me a nice little coffee, bring my children to school, and clock into work. Another day, another dollar. Thank you so much for watching the video. I love you. Mwah. I have a lazy eye. I do have a lazy eye, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Love y'all.